So let us begin the last section, spelling and grammar, and it will be the last video, the fifth part of the video, the fifth video of this lesson, spelling and grammar section, page number 45. So you can open your book, page number 45, and let us see how to check the spellings or correct the spellings. So correcting spellings, spelling and grammar section. So go to page number 46 and check out the steps listed in the book, page number 46. Step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total is 5 are there. So let us begin with step number 1. So you can watch the steps given in the book. So I'll start the steps here practically. So the first step is to click on. So I've written two spellings here. So it has shown a red wavy line. The red wavy line below here indicates there is a spelling mistake. Okay, so you have to correct that spelling. So what will be the correct spelling of this one? That's why there is a red line underneath the word. So to correct the spellings, go to the review section and click on the spelling and grammar, the first command under the proofing group. There's a proofing group of the review tab of the review ribbon, and here the spelling and grammar. So the spelling and grammar opens up, and the red, this is the red shown here, that means it is the wrong one. So suggestions are given here. So what you want the change, you have to click from here. So click on this one, I want little. So I click on the correct spelling and click on change. Then comes the next spelling. This is also wrong, that's why it is coming in red line, and here red wavy line. So suggestion is given here, twinkle, I want twinkle, so I click on change, and finally the message appears, the spelling and grammar check is complete. So as you can see, the red wavy line below here is not there, it has been checked and removed. So like this you can correct your spelling. Okay, then comes thesaurus. So what is thesaurus? It is given in page number 46 after the spelling and grammar check. So thesaurus actually is a dictionary of synonyms, that is words having the same meaning. So it is provided under this section. So let us see with one example practically. So I've written a word called flash. So I want a similar meaning type word which defines the same meaning of flash. So what I'll do, I'll to select that word, then I go to thesaurus, the review tab, you click on the review tab, and the review tab go to the proofing. After spelling and grammar command there is research, then the third command is thesaurus. So when you click on it, you'll get a toolbox here on the right side of the monitor. So from here you can select what kind of uh, synonym you want. Suppose I want sparkle, so I click on it, as I move the mouse over it, then there is a downward arrow, click on the downward arrow and click on insert. So flash, the same type of meaning, sparkle is also having the same type of meaning. Okay, so again if you want to change it, it click on thesaurus. So sparkle, again if I want, so again it is showing flash. So like this you can alternate between the synonyms of a particular word. So this is called thesaurus, use of thesaurus. So that completes the lesson number 5, that is how to insert synonym is complete. After that there is a chapter review. So read the chapter first of all thoroughly, 4-5 times, as many times you get time, you read it the whole lesson. Then read the chapter review points, the important points are discussed here, and then after that you try to complete the exercise given in the book. You have to complete the exercise in the book. Question number A, tick mark, and then there will be fill in the blanks also. Question number B and question number C, true and false. You have to identify from the statements. Question number E, unscramble and match the following. You complete these A, B, C question and F and E, E and F complete in the book. Question number D answers I will give later on in the WhatsApp group. Okay, so watch all the videos carefully. Okay, if you are not watching, then you will not understand the practical part of the lesson, as I have shown you in this some of the videos, as well as read the lesson. Thank you, all of you.